Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Ma'am Dian, as a lecturer, and all my beloved friends. First of all, let's say thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has been giving us guidance, happiness, healthy, and mercy. Okay, we are from Group 7, and the topic that we will discuss is about a word and its structure. And let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Suragustina, and the member of our group is Tiara Lestari. Okay, the next material is more elaborate word forms. Compounds within compounds. Compounds only have two immediate constituents. Now we can see the example below. Let's say that there is a cleaning product that is suitable for windows and ovens. If we separate it into two-part compounds, so it will become window cleaner and oven cleaner. And if we separate it into a three-part compound, it will become window oven cleaner. So, window oven cleaner is not naturally interpreted to mean something that cleans window and ovens. Rather, it means something that cleans window ovens. That is, ovens that have a see-through panel in the door. Now we can see the tree diagram here. Window oven is one word, which is noun, and cleaner is just additional word. Moreover, the compound window oven cleaner can itself be an element in a larger compound, such as marketing of a product for cleaning window ovens. For example, window oven cleaner marketing. We can see the example in this tree diagram below. Its main stress should be on window oven, and specifically on its left-hand element, namely window. Okay, the next material is apparent mismatch between meaning and structure. First, we have to realize that at some point, the meaning of a phrase or sentence isn't go hand in hand with the structure. In this subchapter, I want to talk about whether a phrase can ever be constituent of a compound word. So, first we will talk about bracketing paradox. Bracketing paradox concern morphologically complex words which have more than one bracket or analysis. For example, nuclear possesses have two bracketing or analysis. The first one is structure or form. And from the structure or form, it may mean a possesses who is a nuclear, which is no sense. A possesses is a person, not a nuclear. The second one is from the semantic or real meaning, is someone who is expert in nuclear possesses. And I want to tell you that nuclear possesses is a noun phrase with possesses as noun and nuclear as adjective. So next, I will tell you why. From the bracketing paradox here, how can we see the difference between the first and the second sentence? You can see in the first example, the nuclear possesses is translated word by word. So the affix here is stick to the word possesses, not the phrase the nuclear possesses, but only the possesses, which means a possesses who is a nuclear, because it isn't stick to the phrase. Different with the number 2, where the affix is stick to the phrase, not the word possesses. So it isn't word by word meaning anymore. For more example, French historian. You can also see that French history, and here in the first example, stick to the history only, which makes the meaning historian who is French. Different from number 2, and the affix is here stick to the phrase French history, which means expert in French history, but not always a French people or a French person. Okay, the last is conclusion. However, these examples are to be analyzed structurally. Their existence seems to show that, in derivation and compounding as well as in inflection, semantic pressures can sometimes enforce the existence of an expression with a certain meaning, and the expression chosen for that meaning need not be structurally ideal. The language acceptance of these expressions, nevertheless, shows that, although word structure get interpretation, it does not dictate it. Okay, that's the explanation from our group. That was our group presentation. I'm sorry if we have some mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.